So the brand sent these over and compensated me for this quick video, but I knew they were coming in the mail, so I let my son grab them and give them to me as a gift, and it was so super sweet. They're really cute because it comes in this nice little pink box, which is really awesome, and it slides open almost like a little drawer, so it already comes pre-packaged, ready to go, ready to gift it. And when you open it up, those are the little cute pink socks inside. They are super soft. It's like a really soft fleece. It feels so good on your feet. Then they do stretch, so that is really nice. And the writing on them is almost like a puffy paint, but a lot better quality. So it's like got the little grippies on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about sliding anywhere. And unless you have like a really large foot, like a size 13 or so, then these are definitely going to fit. I would say I'm an 8.5, and I have plenty of room in them. Then they do come up higher on my leg, which I like as well. So they're very warm as well as comfortable. So if you're looking for that special gift for your for the lady in your life, for the mom in your life, grandma, sister, girlfriend, whoever it might be, then I would definitely recommend these because they're so soft and comfy. Anybody would love to just throw them on at night, prop their feet up, and just relax. Great gift, definitely recommend, and I cannot wait to get a couple pairs for the great moms in my life.